Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to break down how to turn on data roaming on your iPhone. It's super simple. First things first, you'll want to head into your Settings app. Then look for Mobile Service or Cellular, tap on that. Next, you're looking for Mobile Data options right at the top. Go ahead and tap that too. And finally, you'll see Data Roaming. Just toggle that switch to turn it on. Now a quick word of caution. You really only want to turn this on when you're actually traveling to another country or outside of your regular service area. Your service provider might charge you extra fees if you leave it on when you don't need it. So if you're at home, keep it off. Once you've flipped that switch while you're traveling, you should be able to use your iPhone just like you normally would. Pretty easy, right? If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. Also, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future travel tips and tricks. Just remember, this is based on my personal experience, and settings can sometimes vary slightly. You can also find some helpful links in the description below. Happy travels!